Hi, my name is Angie, and I'm going to be presenting Thiel's theory quiz. The first question in the quiz is, how did Thiel make his fortune? Was he a Google co-founder? Was he a PayPal co-creator? Was he working with Jeff Bezos? Or was he a Facebook board member? 2 out of the 4 answers are correct. Alright, so if you answered that he is a PayPal co-creator and also a Facebook board member, then you are correct. So on to the next question. The next question is, what is Thiel's theory? So the first answer is Thiel's theory refers to the amount of information available to and generated by humanity as a whole. The second option is Thiel's theory is the idea that technology tends to build on itself, eventually becoming more advanced. The third option is Thiel's theory refers to the advancement of technology progressively increasing, however, there is no futuristic growth. And finally, the fourth option is Thiel's theory is the idea that computer processor speed and efficiency would improve at a high rate of speed and fuel incredible advancements in all technology. Alright, so if you answered option 3, which is Thiel's theory refers to the advancement of technology progressively increasing, however, there is no futuristic growth, that's correct. So on to the next question and the final question. The final question states that Thiel once quoted, "We wanted flying cars, instead we got 140 characters." Is this true or is this false? Alright, so if you answered that it is true, you are correct. Thiel also questions what happened to the future. So that is the end of my quiz based off of Thiel's theory. Thank you so much and keep doing a great job in class.